Endangered species.
Some animals in the world are considered to be endangered or threatened. Among these animals that face possible extinction are the panda, the green sea turtle, and the tiger. Some birds, insects, and fish are endangered too. Fortunately, there are organizations that are working toward saving the future of these rare animals. The United Nations is one organization, but sometimes individuals help too. One animal considered to be endangered is the gorilla. The gorilla is usually divided into 5 groups, which all live in the rainforests and mountains of Western and Central Africa. The gorilla, which is the biggest ape, lives in a family of around 30. Each of these gorilla families has a male leader. The number of gorillas has declined because of human activities in gorilla areas. Logging companies cut down trees. This reduces the space in which gorillas can live and find food. Sometimes, the forests are cleared to make way for more towns and villages. Trees are cut down and then buildings are constructed. Another threat is hunting. Hunters sometimes go to the forests to track down gorillas and other animals. If they see a gorilla, they shoot it. Then they sell the meat of the gorilla. Even though there are laws protecting gorillas, some hunters go to the forests to kill them. War can also have a negative influence on gorillas. During times of trouble in Africa, some people have run away to hide in the national parks. There, they have cut down trees to use as firewood. Many gorillas have been killed because of these activities. There are about 50,000 gorillas left in Africa. One of the 5 groups of gorillas, the mountain gorilla, is almost extinct. Although gorillas are big and look scary, they are not so dangerous. They are gentle. Gorillas really only become aggressive if they think they or their babies are being threatened. Gorillas are also quite intelligent. Some people have taught gorillas how to use simple tools. It has even been possible to teach gorillas how to make simple sentences by using sign language. One person who helped protect gorillas was an American woman named Dr. Diane Fossey. She could get very close to them. One adult male gorilla called Peanuts even touched her hand. This became the first time on record that a human had friendly contact with a gorilla. Dr. Fossey was upset when hunters killed a young male called Digit, one of the gorillas she had studied. Dr. Fossey protested against the hunters. She also wrote a book, Gorillas in the Mist, which became a movie. Many people gave money to protect gorillas, which made it possible for Dr. Fossey to start a special fund. In late December 1985, Dr. Fossey was murdered. Her death is a mystery. The work she started still continues. The Diane Fossey Gorilla Fund International raises money for people working with gorillas in Africa. It is even possible for you to help gorillas by sending money to the organization. The United Nations also has a special project to save gorillas. The project does research on apes and the forests in which they live. The United Nations helps governments, wildlife departments, and other agencies to protect the future of apes. The UN has made rules on international trade in endangered species. There are about 160 governments that follow the UN rules. It is hoped that all this hard work can prevent gorillas from becoming extinct.